Put some water in there with the little bug that flew in there and it really hates his feet right now. And hope these just pour out. It's easier with a largemouth jar. It is way easier with a largemouth jar. Dadgummit. In the English language, they say it like, it is way easier with a largemouth jar. There we go. About half of them. Ow, my knee's on fire.
I don't know if I want to try that or not.
What's that?
Cleaning that fish stuff.
Oh, I'd use a regular sticker.
Well, I mean, it's a knife. I got it. I ain't never used it. I just thought I'd see.
Yeah, I'm tempted to just do those and put these back in some more water and let them set. You can set this overnight if you want to, people. It doesn't hurt anything. And we're going to do that. There'll be that much more fun to get out of there. But.
Stop being rude, Fire.
And then we put a lid on that and let it get hot. Well, now would be the appropriate time to season your beans. A little trick. What you can season? That whenever we prep our beans and stuff, beans and rice, like, so when you reach in that bucket and hand me the bouillon. Whenever we package beans and rice, we package bouillon cubes. Because if you got nothing else but that bucket of beans and rice, you've got some way to make the rice taste like something besides rice and the beans to taste something besides beans. And it's as easy as opening one of these little boxes. Taking out one of these little packages and chunking it in there, and you're done. This is secret recipe for beans. This is beef bouillon. Super secret bean recipe. Hold on, you ready? Oh. I'm done. It's a busy, busy place around here. We're trying to survive. So if y'all see people's feet and stuff, it'll be okay. Y'all can troll me down in the comments or whatever and tell us how big a good job we're doing or whatever. And tell us what color your basement ceiling is or something.